Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are counting down our picks for the 7 best web series on Netflix. Number 7. Ozark. Ozark is a Netflix original crime drama web series that was first released in 2017. The series follows Marty Byrde, a financial advisor and family man who moves his wife and 2 teenage children to the Ozarks in Missouri after a money laundering scheme goes wrong. The show is a suspenseful and thrilling journey into the world of money laundering, drug trafficking, and organized crime. With intricate plot lines and character development, Ozark has received critical acclaim and has become one of the most popular Netflix series to date. The series has been praised for its high-quality production, strong acting performances, and intense suspenseful storylines. With multiple seasons released, Ozark continues to captivate audiences and remains one of the best Netflix web series available. Number 6. Mindhunter. Mindhunter is a crime drama web series that was released on Netflix in 2017. The series follows FBI agent Holden Ford, played by Jonathan Groff, as he pioneers the field of criminal profiling along with his partner, Bill Tench, played by Holt McCallany. Ford interviews some of the most notorious serial killers of the era to gain insight into their motivations and behaviors. The series is based on the real-life work of former FBI agent John E. Douglas and his book Mindhunter. Inside the FBI's elite serial crime unit, the series has been praised for its sharp writing, captivating performances, and intense exploration of the human mind and the criminal psyche. Mindhunter is widely considered to be one of the best web series on Netflix. Number 5. Money Heist. Money Heist is a Spanish television crime drama web series that premiered on Netflix in 2017.
¿Qué vamos a robar?
The series is created and produced by Alex Pina and follows a group of robbers who attempt to carry out the biggest heist in Spanish history by robbing the Royal Mint of Spain and taking hostages. The series is known for its complex characters, intense action, and unpredictable twists and turns, making it one of the most popular and highly rated shows on Netflix with its captivating storyline and standout performances from its cast. La Casa de Papel has received widespread critical acclaim and has been praised for its creativity, suspense, and suspenseful pacing.
El Estado nos ha declarado la guerra.
Number 4. Orange is the New Black. Orange is the New Black is a popular Netflix original web series that was first released in 2013. The show is based on a memoir by Piper Kerman and follows the life of a middle-class woman named Piper Chapman, who is sentenced to 15 months in a woman's federal prison.
And I'm trying to get back on my feet. Now, this is my life.
Throughout the series, the show explores the diverse backgrounds and stories of the prison's inmates and the relationships they form while serving time. The show is known for its well-developed characters, witty humor, and realistic portrayal of life in a federal prison. It received numerous awards and accolades of its writing, acting, and production. The series ran for 7 seasons and ended in 2019. Number 3. The Witcher. The Witcher is a Netflix original web series that was released in 2019 and is still ongoing. It is based on the popular book series of the same name by Andrzej Sapkowski and follows the adventures of Geralt of Rivia, a solitary monster hunter in a world where humans, elves, and dwarves often treat him with distrust and fear. He travels through the continent, using his wit and sword to solve conflicts between creatures and people while searching for his place in the world. The show is a dark fantasy series that features elements of action, drama, and comedy, and has a strong cast, compelling storyline, and stunning visuals. With its complex characters and intricate plot, The Witcher has become one of the most popular and well-received Netflix series to date. Number 2. The Umbrella Academy. The Umbrella Academy is a Netflix original web series based on the comic book series of the same name by Gerard Way and Gabriel Ba. The show is a supernatural action-packed adventure that follows a dysfunctional family of 7 siblings with unique powers, who were born on the same day and adopted by an eccentric billionaire.
Far beyond the ordinary.
They came together after their father's death to solve a mystery and save the world from impending doom. The show features a talented cast, visually stunning production design, and quirky, offbeat humor that makes it one of the best Netflix web series to date. Number 1. Stranger Things. Stranger Things is a science fiction horror web television series produced by the Duffer Brothers and released on Netflix. Set in the 1980s, the show follows a group of friends in the fictional town of Hawkins. They uncover supernatural mysteries and government crises surrounding the disappearance of one of their own.
Impossible.
With its mix of nostalgia, pop culture references, and thrilling storytelling, Stranger Things has become one of the most popular and critically acclaimed shows on Netflix.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.